This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Parker. This gorgeous ranch home boasts a spacious large front porch. Step inside to a large open floor plan. Beautiful kitchen with large island stainless steel appliances, laminate flooring throughout. Great for family cooking time and entertaining. 4 good-sized bedrooms. Master bedroom with tile-jetted tub for those relaxing evenings from a hard day's work. Full-size laundry room with sink and cabinets. Large backyard with detached 1-car garage. Make this beauty your first stop and welcome home. For more information, review the details below.